Today we will be preparing rice noodles, sautéed vegetables with broth. Add in 4 cups of water. My ingredients are already prepped. Now with this rice noodles, the goal was to only boil 2 ounces of it because it swells when cooking. But I find it shedding, and because the noodles are hard and crunchy, if you only want a small serving, you will have to cut through or pull apart. But if you would want to prepare this throughout the week, you can boil as many as you like. All you have to do is ensure the water exceeds the rice noodles. When the water boils, add to pot. Make sure it steeps down and boil for 4 minutes. And as we can see, it is coming along well, and whilst boiling, we just want to tap it to prevent breakage. After it is done, strain thoroughly and set aside, and we will now prepare our broth. Add in 1 teaspoon olive oil, 2 tablespoons diced onions, and 2 1/4 teaspoon of minced garlic. Mix together and let brown. Add in 5 ounces of vegetable broth or water, 1 ounce soy sauce. Don't forget to turn your stove down. I poured it in on high heat. For our veggies, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 2 ounce carrots, 1 ounce snow peas, 1 to 30 ounce broccoli, 4 ounce bok choy, 2 ounce mushrooms, 0 to 70 ounce onions, 2 1/4 teaspoon of garlic, and 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. Mix thoroughly and cook your veg to your texture. I like mine al dente. When it's done, let's plate. You can put as much as you like, adding your noodles first, then your broth, and lastly your veggies. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing if you haven't done so already. Give it a thumbs up and share. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.